If she dash harder, she might win the competition. Option B, trained. If she trained harder, she might win the competition. If I dash enough money, I'll buy a new laptop. Option C, have. If I have enough money, I'll buy a new laptop. If we had known about the traffic, we dash another route. Option D, would have taken. If we had known about the traffic, we would have taken another route. If water reaches 0 degrees Celsius, it dash. Option B, freezes. If water reaches 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes. If I dash the lottery, I would buy a car. Option C, won. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. If he dash more careful, he wouldn't be in this mess. Option B, had been. If he had been more careful, he wouldn't be in this mess. If you dash to him, he will understand. Option A, explain. If you explain to him, he will understand. If I had known it was your birthday, I dash a gift. Option C, would have brought. If I had known it was your birthday, I would have brought a gift. If the sun dash, the day gets warmer. Option C, shines. If the sun shines, the day gets warmer. If you were more polite, people dash you more. Option C, would like. If you were more polite, people would like you more. If you had told me the truth, I dash angry. Option A, wouldn't have been. If you had told me the truth, I wouldn't have been angry. If we dash the tickets now, we'll get a discount. Option A, buy. If we buy the tickets now, we'll get a discount. If I dash you, I wouldn't trust him. Option C, were. If I were you, I wouldn't trust him. If she dash up earlier, she wouldn't have missed the bus. Option B, had got. If she had got up earlier, she wouldn't have missed the bus. If you dash milk, it turns sour. Option C, leave. If you leave milk, it turns sour. If I dash how to fix it, I would help you. Option B, knew. If I knew how to fix it, I would help you. If they dash on time, we won't miss the show. Option A, arrive. If they arrive on time, we won't miss the show. If we dash earlier, we could be there by now. Option B, had left. If we had left earlier, we could be there by now. If it dash tomorrow, we won't go hiking. Option A, rains. If it rains tomorrow, we won't go hiking. If the food is bad, people dash complains. Option C, make. If the food is bad, people make complaints.